Yo guys, you're watching Wealthwise, and this is Bigfoot reporting live from the Titanic. Pretty awesome ship, not gonna lie.
Just had lunch, food was fire. We're cruising pretty fast, so we might make it to New York ahead of schedule. Put some W's in the chat for the Titanic, y'all.
Okay guys, so it's going down and the ship hit an iceberg. I'll keep y'all posted.
There wasn't no lifeboat, so I had to be creative. Make sure y'all subscribe to Wealthwise for more updates.
Do you also want to create awesome videos like this that can go absolutely viral on YouTube? If yes, then you are in the right place, my friend, because today I am going to show you exactly how you can create awesome, hilarious videos like this with ease. Just take a look at this YouTube channel, guys. It has gained almost 250,000 subscribers within just a few months, and all of their videos are 100% AI generated, mostly made with Google Veo 3. As you can see, the videos get a crazy amount of views too. And yes, this channel is fully monetized, if you are wondering, and is making thousands of dollars every single month. And here is the crazy part. You can also do something like this, and today I will show you exactly how easy it is to create awesome viral AI videos. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool we will be using today is called Topmedi AI. This is an outstanding AI tool where you can generate awesome videos using Veo 3 with very little video credits. And let me tell you guys, I have tested multiple platforms that offer Veo 3, and this one by far consumes the least amount of credits to generate a video, which is awesome. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now if you hover over here, you'll be able to see all the different types of AI tools it offers. It has so many useful tools, you can try them if you want. But for today, I'll be showing you guys the video generation feature, because that's my favorite. So let's click on AI video and then click on create video instantly, and it will take you to this interface. Now first, from here you can select whether to create image to video or text to video. Then if you click here, you can change the video model. As you can see, it also has Veo 3, so I'll choose Veo 3. Now first, let's try one image to video using Veo 3. So I will upload the image from here. Next, in the prompt section, I will write this prompt and then hit generate, and here's the output. Wow, that was outstanding. Not only did it add awesome realistic motions to the video, but it also added background music, which even takes it to the next level. Just imagine the kinds of cinematic masterpieces you can create using this tool. You are literally only limited by your imagination. Let's try one more. So this time, I will be uploading this image. And now I also want her to say a few words, so in the prompt, I'll paste this prompt where I've also written what I want her to say, and then hit generate. And here is the output.
I am the queen now, and no one can stop me.
Wow, that literally looked like a scene from a movie, doesn't it? The voice, lip sync, video motion, everything was on point. Literally, we are getting to a point where it will be impossible to tell what's AI and what's not. And now, let's try some text to video, and let me show you how I created the video I showed you at the beginning of this video. Now for text to video, you need to make sure that your prompts are very detailed if you want better results. And if you are struggling with prompts, then you can just ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. For now, I'll give it this prompt and then hit generate. And here is the output.
Yo guys, you're watching Wealthwise, and this is Bigfoot reporting live from the Titanic. Pretty awesome ship, not gonna lie.
Wow, that was awesome and hilarious at the same time. And using this tool and technique, you can easily create viral Bigfoot vlogs and earn some extra cash. Let's try a different type of video that I personally like very much. So in the prompt, I will paste this prompt, and don't worry, I'll put these prompts in the description for you to try, and then I'll hit generate. And here is the output.
Would you even date an alien?
No, I won't.
Why?
Because y'all don't take showers and y'all smell bad.
That was also awesome, and now you can create them too. I'm telling you guys, using this tool, you can almost create anything you want. You just have to be creative enough and put in the work. Now, once you sign up, they will give you some free credits to try it out. But if you want full access to this tool, then you can get a subscription. As you can see, the prices are very low, and it costs very little credits to generate videos. I'll put the link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.